Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways to establish some context. Very impressive bounce on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but then the price managed to work its way all the way back up there. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but that was a very nice move, and that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Yes, it was great. It was strong today, but is there any sort of true strength behind it? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And the main level that stands out to me that'll need to be watched going forward, and, you know, like I said, nothing fancy or complicated behind any of this, but for me, it's all about $12.75. Why is $12.75 important? I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation purposes, let's say the price comes down to $12.75 and then just continues on down. What would you have at that moment in time? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So, I mean, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $12.75. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. It's all about that purple line up there, the famous and well-known 50-period moving average, currently valued at $13.65. So keep a close eye on that going forward. But yeah, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.